Lila. Oh,
Sorry.
I can't see her now.
Hey, leave that alone.
Don't touch it.
Hey, what did Jen do? What did you do?
I'll help her.
Huh?
What are you doing, silly? Your hand wet?
Don't get it wet.
She's trying to wipe something off of her hand in there.
You slip.
Whoa, you see?
That's why Mama don't want you in here while I'm doing it.
She was just doing it though. You're a little too close. Does that smell good? You're gonna get your hair in there.
Hey. Thank you.
Oh, good girl. Yay.
Watch, you're gonna fall. Don't come over here. Okay, thank you.
No. You weirdo. Hey, come here.
Fall. You're gonna slip.
Come here, let me put you in your sleeping.